Antonio was renowned for his delicious desserts on season 15 of MasterChef, and he's here to show us one of his family favourite desserts. This one's actually quite simple, isn't it?
It's super easy. It's a Passionfruit Marquise. It's a layered cake. It's going to be biscuits dipped in milk with a bit of passion fruit cream, and yeah, it's going to be amazing. So I'm going to get you to start. So we need to sieve some of that pulp in here. And I'll start also with the cream.
Okay.
It's super easy. We're just basically gonna pour everything into the blender. We have a bit of evaporated milk, and this is condensed milk.
Right.
This will go also straight up in the blender.
If you wanted to change up the fruit, could you use something else for this recipe?
Definitely. So anything acid will work very well. So you can do lime, you can do lemon. The acidity from the fruit will make the cream thicken. So between the mixing and the acidity, we'll do sort of like a chemical reaction and then just thicken up nicely.
Nice one. Is that enough for you?
Yeah, that's perfect. So we'll do probably, the recipe calls for 360 grams. We can reserve the rest for our glaze. And now we just blitz this. Perfect. So now the cream's ready and it's nicely and thickened up.
Oh, gee, it really is thick, isn't it?
Yeah.
And fluffy. Fantastic.
Perfect. Now we'll get to the jam that we're gonna use on the glaze on top. So yeah, we do the passion fruit juice and then we can just add a bit of sugar and we'll heat it up nicely.
Okay.
And I'll prep the slurry. Basically, we just want the sugar to dissolve.
Right.
We don't want to like cook it out too much because if you cook any citrusy, they kind of lose their like zing and their, appeal, I guess.
Yep, so just warming it up.
Yeah, pretty much. Once the sugar is dissolved, then we'll have our slurry ready to thicken it up.
Okay, I think that's dissolved.
Perfect.
And then shall I turn it up a tiny bit and give it a whisk?
Yep. You notice it's gonna thicken up pretty quickly, so it'll have this like glossy and like very nice look.
The magic of corn flour, right?
Yes, it's so good.
Anything up.
Amazing. So now that's looking lovely. We're just gonna chill it, and we're gonna pour that on top of our Marquise once we have it ready.
All right, we'll cool that down over there. Now for the fun part.
Yeah, the layering.
Biscuits.
Biscuits.
Is there a specific biscuit you use, or you can use anything?
You can use anything available to you. I like the Marie biscuits because they're neutral in flavor, so it will make the cream shine a bit more. But you can use Scotch fingers. You can use anything that you can actually dip in milk, and it's not going to disintegrate. So
very nice.
Yeah.
Yep.
So the trick here, like the tiramisu, and I'll get you to do a few too.
I'd love to. Yep.
We're gonna overlap them a bit because we want to create sort of like a base so that the cream is not seeping out to the bottom.
So
Perfect.
Just like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll do like 4 each way.
After we've dipped all the biscuits in, what's the next layer after
So
that?
we're gonna put pretty much half of our mix in there and we're gonna then repeat again.
Talk about easy desserts. This one is so easy to do.
So easy.
Yeah.
And delicious. A lot of people will be asking for a doggy bag.
And this is cooled down. Look how thick and glossy it is. Fantastic.
That's perfect. So we'll give it a nice tap. And now, do you want to do the honors or you?
Sure, I'd love to.
Please. Just
Straight
pour
over
it
the top.
straight in, yeah.
Oh, look at that.
That color. It's so vibrant and beautiful.
Liquid gold right there.
Perfect. And now if we have an offset spatula or anything, we'll just sort of like level it out a bit.
So you really want that glaze or the jam to cool down completely before you put it on?
If it's too hot, it'll kind of like make it a bit too runny, but if it's just, slightly cooled, chill down, it'll just set nicely. And now we're gonna put this in the fridge 2-4 hours, so you can make this ahead and then just enjoy with the family. Well, we're ready to taste.
Yes, it's completely set. It's so pretty, the top of it, isn't it?
It's nice and shiny.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Look at the accuracy.
Well, that's the engineer in me, so.
I know, you're a great cook and a software engineer. There you go. Can do everything, can't you, Antonio?
I can try.
Wow, that looks fantastic. I love how you can see all the layers there.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
That's for you.
Thank you. Just for me. I'm gonna go that bit right there. That was so good. If you want to make a really quick dessert and just have a little bit of time to set it, this is your go-to. And I think what makes it so special is the tartness of that passion fruit. It cuts through the sweetness. It is a brilliant dessert. This one, I'm going to be making this quite often for my family and friends.